Welcome to Pydle Day 150. Pydle is a daily puzzle game you need to solve by writing Python code. Today's Pydle is a cute little owl, so have a go at solving that. If you need to Pydle, I'm going to provide the solution to yesterday's Pydle, also with a little twist. So yesterday's Pydle was a kettle. So first of all, I'm just going to show you, I'm not going to go through my solution, but so this was my solution. I'm just going to make the kettle blue so I don't actually solve the puzzle. Okay, so if I run that, get a blue kettle, and it was 110 characters. So that is kind of a basic solution. Now, somebody on YouTube commented with their solution. So it was revolutionary defeatism. And it's quite a cool solution. So I've got that as well. So you can see, let me just paste that in. Okay, so let's just see what's going on here. Instead of saying for x in range 5 and then for y in range 5, he's defined a variable r equals range 5, he or she. So, and then you can reuse that variable for both your ranges. And then I think this is quite cute. So using that kind of chain comparison, x greater than 1 and y is greater than 1 as well, but just with the 1 in the middle. I think that's quite cute. And then the same for y equals x plus 2, or you can say y minus x equals 2. And then instead of black, just say else 0. So Pydle doesn't really care if you don't use a valid color. Okay, so that was revolutionary defeatism's solution, which was quite cool, and the character count was 89 compared to my 110. Okay, yeah, that's quite cool. Hope you had fun solving it. If you haven't done it already, then go back. I think it's quite cute, the kettle. And then have a go at solving today's Pydle, which is the owl. And I'll see you again tomorrow with the solution.